through this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Porsche dealers in downtown Miami. Today's video I want to teach you how simple it can be purchasing a new or used Porsche car from a Porsche dealers in downtown Miami. There are numerous Porsche dealers in downtown Miami, making it hard for first-timers. But don't worry, since this video will break down features of each dealership and what type of experience they have designed for the buyers. Now let's get started. 1. Look for Porsche dealers in your area, then look for dealerships which have plenty of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealers in downtown Miami from people who have bought a car there before. 3. Check out reviews of the Porsche dealers in downtown Miami on Yelp or Google. 4. Look at the Porsche dealership's inventory, to see what they have available and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Contact the dealer and ask them about their policies, loaning options, warranty insurance coverage. The Porsche dealer must be someone who knows what he is talking about and can satisfy your questions without making you feel nervous. 6. What is the budget? The more money you would spend on a car the better quality of car you'll be able to find. However, if cost is an issue for you, do not delay, ask around. Click the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealers in downtown Miami. Thanks for viewing this video.